Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to monitor network interface activities using nmcli command in Oracle Linux 8 operating system. So first let me open the terminal and switch as a root user. Okay, now nmcli device status. This is the command to check the status of the network devices. You can see ENS160 is up and running. So we are going to monitor this ENS160 using this command nmcli connection monitor ENS160. So you can see that one thread is started. Let me open another terminal in another tab. Root user. So now I am modifying the static IP address of this ENS160. Yes, you can see that this activity is monitored here. ENS160 connection profile changed. So the activity which I have done here is logged here. So this is how you can use this nmcli command to monitor the network activity.